Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can access all feature of Capcut whenever you are offline. So here I already have my Capcut and I still have my internet here. So if you want to access all features or of the Capcut, you just need to make sure that whenever you got the internet, you need to download every features that you need for future editing. So here you can just go into the nearest part, which is the audio. So you just need to go click sounds, or you can also go into the sound FX to find the effects of the sounds, and then you just need to download several of the song here and then just save it. So later on, whenever you need it, you just need to go tap it. Now here, the next thing you need to do is just go into the tags, and you just need to go click add tags, go into the font, and you need to download some font here. Let's say you also need this italic and so on and so on, and make sure that you download the effects too, because the effects is also important for your editing. So just make sure that you download the features or the filter that you have here. Just download it, everything that you need. Just tap it to save it, tap and hold to save all of the filters here. So whenever you already download everything, means that whenever you are losing for the internet, lost connection of the internet, or have low connection for the internet, you can still access them into your collection. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.